To whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worry. I get it. The eyes from step
Water pump has gone on it, which is quite common on these.
That doesn't sound very good.
Oh, okay, so the injectors haven't been coated.
Oh well, on to the next one.
First thing today, rain indoors. It's because all the ice is melting and coming through the gaps. Lovely. Whoa! Look at it. It's pouring in now. But it's all defrosted, isn't it? Anyway, right. First thing this morning, 15 plate Jag. Turbo's gone really badly. Turned up, it was basically starting to run away with itself. So let's dive into that one. Yes. Apart from the wiring plug. That. Right. One. There we go, you can see this a bit better now. I can hear it. Woo! He was lucky, I tell you now. Let's get on and fit this new one. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. Lovely. Nice and shiny. Everything's there. There we go. Gasket. Obviously, new feed pipe as well to go on. Let's get to it. Okay. That one's alright. Oh no. It's gonna snap. And that is what happens with that. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try. Loose. Oh. Oh. Needs to be in there. That's the thing. Good. That's that done now. Took nowhere near what the book time says. Book time was 1.5 hours. It took 1.5 hours for me to get it out because of access and whatnot. I don't know where they get that figure from. We do find it quite a lot. The book time the time is like a lot shorter than what it actually takes. How can a 1.5 hour job involve using this many tools, right? Half the bleeding toolbox is out. disgusting. Snowy one in this morning, hey? It is absolutely freezing down here. We're not enjoying it very much, I can tell you that much. Especially as I'm going to be servicing this, and all I'm going to do is get dripped on from underneath. Can't wait for that.
Go, God.
Oh, get that kettle on. Ooh.
I'd stop. Yeah.
Like Christmas.
That's gonna be...
Oh, we knew it was coming, but
Yeah.
didn't think about today. It's a really busy day today. Of course it's going to be, yeah. Right.
Yeah. That'll go well on the burner, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Double cam belt. Dan's on this Land Rover, and I'm on this Cash Guy. And it is 1:10. Got to get both of these done before closing doors. So let's get cracking.
Why does it always miss? No matter how hard you try. Look at it.
Job done. Let's go and see how Dan's getting on. You nearly there?
Sort of.
Sort of. Another week done. Plenty going on. Loads going on. Try and film as much as possible. Yeah. Oh, and as you'll have seen, the MOT based stuff's turned up as well. Like I said before, I'll document as much as possible of the process of setting up the groundworks and the setup of the MOT bay and that, and hopefully that'll make some good footage. So that's it. Friday night, go home, get ready for Monday.
Stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it.